Waking up 2, 3, or even 4 times a night just to use the bathroom is more than just frustrating, it's taking a serious, silent toll on your long term health. Nighttime urination, or nocturia, shatters the deep sleep cycles that are essential for restoring your energy, memory, and even your immune function. Over time, that poor, fragmented sleep doesn't just make you tired, it weakens your body's natural defenses and significantly raises your chances of serious issues like heart problems, diabetes, and high blood pressure. And here's the most important point: nocturia is not just a normal part of aging. Many people assume medications are the only solution, but those often come with unwanted side effects, dry mouth, constipation, dizziness, and more importantly, they usually don't address the root causes. These causes include things like subtle bladder lining, inflammation, hormonal imbalances, prostate pressure, or simply how your body handles fluid while you sleep. I'm Dr. Narita, and as a physician who has focused on men's wellness for the past 12 years, I have consistently seen true, lasting improvement when we shift our focus to nutrition and gentle, behavioral changes. Certain foods work in ways that medications simply cannot. They calm bladder irritation, reduce inflammation, and help your kidneys regulate water balance more effectively. Today, I'm going to share the top 3 foods and one powerful, non food tip that have given my patients back their control and their sleep. We're focusing on simple, specific additions to your diet taken at the right time to strengthen your entire system. Stay with me, because we're going to start with a food that is rich, creamy, and loaded with bladder soothing nutrients. We need to bust the myth that nocturia is always a sign of a small bladder or a weak muscle. That's rarely the whole story. The biological truth: for men, nocturia is often driven by one or more of 3 things: systemic irritation. Low level, hidden inflammation in the bladder lining or prostate makes the bladder hypersensitive. It sends an urgent signal to your brain to empty, even when it's barely full. Hormonal imbalance. Age related changes can affect the hormones that typically suppress urine production at night. Fluid shifts. Fluid pools in your lower body, legs, ankles, all day due to gravity. When you lie down, that fluid rushes back to your torso, overwhelming your kidneys at the worst possible time. The emotional truth: you feel like you're losing your autonomy. You feel disconnected from your own body, powerless to stop the cycle. The key to reclaiming your night is to strengthen the systems, the nerves, the muscles, the hormone balance using nutrition. This is about working with your body, not against it. The foods and habits we are about to discuss are based on the successes I've seen in my 12 years of clinical practice. I've found that using food to strengthen these systems not only helps my patients sleep better, but also improves their daytime energy, mood, and overall quality of life. We're going to count down the 3 foods and then share one vital, non food technique that ties it all together. If staying energetic, healthy, and independent matters to you, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss these practical, science backed tips. And drop a comment below and tell me, where are you tuning in from today? Now, let's start with a creamy powerhouse. Food number 3, avocado. Food number 3, avocado, the bladder muscle relaxer. Avocado is not just a trendy fruit, it is a profound tool for calming the bladder and supporting nighttime urine control. Most people focus on the healthy fats, but its real power here is due to 2 lesser-known compounds: magnesium and a unique plant helper. The biology: the relaxed muscle. One of the most valuable nutrients in avocado is magnesium. Bladder muscle relaxation. Magnesium helps relax the smooth muscles of the bladder, specifically the detrusor muscle. When this muscle is too tense or overactive, often the core reason for urgency, it tends to spasm or send frequent signals to empty, even when it is not full. By increasing magnesium through natural sources like avocado, you make the bladder less twitchy. Prostate support. Avocados also contain a unique plant compound called beta-sitosterol. This phytosterol has been shown in research to reduce symptoms of benign prostate enlargement, which is one of the most common causes of nocturia in men over 50. Beta-sitosterol works by gently reducing swelling and improving urine flow. Fiber and mechanical pressure. Avocado is also packed with fiber. You might be thinking, what does fiber have to do with urination? The answer is crucial. Constipation and hard stool push against the bladder and irritate it, especially in older adults. By easing digestion and keeping your bowels regular, avocado helps reduce that mechanical pressure, leading to fewer signals day and night. The emotional and practical impact, the dignity. When your body's systems are working smoothly, you feel less strained and more comfortable. That constant low level urgency or discomfort finally begins to ease, restoring your peace of mind. The practical use, the right time. I recommend sticking with about half an avocado per day. Timing is key. It is best eaten at lunch or early dinner around 5 p.m. Eating it too late might cause mild bloating or stomach upset in some people, especially seniors whose digestion slows down in the evening. The calming guacamole. My favorite bladder friendly way to enjoy it is as a simple guacamole. Use one ripe avocado, a pinch of sea salt, a spoon of olive oil, and optionally, some chopped cucumber. Avoid store bought versions that contain bladder irritants like garlic, onion, or lots of citric acid. Have you tried using avocado to calm urgency? Drop a comment below if that sounds like something you're facing. Food number 2, pumpkin seeds, the sleep signal booster. Pumpkin seeds are small, but incredibly powerful. They tackle a problem many men don't realize they have: disrupted sleep signals. Just 1 ounce gives you a magnesium punch more than double that of avocado, but their real magic lies in regulating your sleep cycle. The biology, the double action calmer, ultimate muscle relaxation, 150 milligrams of magnesium per ounce, reinforcing relaxation of the bladder's detrusor muscle. Melatonin boost, sleep depth. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, which your brain uses to make serotonin and melatonin. Melatonin signals your body when it's time to sleep and stay asleep, helping reduce wake ups at night. Hormone support, zinc. Rich in zinc, they support hormone regulation and reduce bladder inflammation, stabilizing bladder sensitivity. The emotional and practical impact, dignity. This is about sleeping better, not just peeing less. Deeper, restorative sleep improves mood, memory, and confidence. The practical use, the 4 p.m. window. 1-2 tablespoons daily, between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Avoid roasted, salted, or flavored versions that contain sodium or irritants. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most consistent non-drug options for mild overactive bladder symptoms. Have you tried them? Let me know in the comments. Food number 1, cucumber. Food number 1, cucumber, the mid-afternoon reset. Cucumber may seem like just water, but used correctly, it helps reduce nighttime urine production. The biology, the tissue strengthener. Tissue strength, silica. Silica supports the connective tissue lining the bladder wall, helping it stay stable and less reactive. The timing shift. Eaten in early to mid-afternoon, cucumber acts as a mild diuretic, clearing excess fluids while you're upright. Less fluid remains to be processed while you sleep. Anti-inflammatory. Plant compounds reduce mild swelling in the urinary tract, calming irritation before bedtime. The emotional and practical impact, dignity. This restores a sense of agency. You're actively managing fluid balance instead of avoiding water and hoping for the best. The practical use, the 2 p.m. window. Eat 1 full cucumber between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Keep it raw. Pair with a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a touch of olive oil, and fresh herbs like dill. Avoid pickled cucumbers or eating too late, as they can irritate the bladder. This mid-afternoon reset works wonders. Try it for a few days and watch what happens. The evening master stroke, leg elevation. Fluid builds up in your legs and ankles during the day. When you lie down, your body reabsorbs it and sends it to the kidneys, filling your bladder and waking you up. How elevation works. Raising your legs before bed returns fluid to circulation gradually, giving your kidneys time to process it while you're awake. The right time and height. 30 to 60 minutes before bed, legs about a foot higher than your heart. Stack pillows or rest on a couch armrest. Bonus. Wearing light compression socks during the day prevents excess fluid from collecting. This simple approach, socks by day, elevation by evening, often works better than medication for some people. Avocado half per day. Magnesium to relax bladder muscle, fiber to ease pressure. Pumpkin seeds, 4 p.m. Magnesium and tryptophan to deepen sleep and calm bladder sensitivity. Cucumber 1 whole at 2 p.m. Silica to strengthen bladder wall, gentle diuresis to shift fluid earlier. Non-food tip. Elevate legs 30 to 60 minutes before bed to manage fluid shifts. This isn't just about stopping bathroom trips, it's about reclaiming energy, dignity, and sleep. Small, strategic changes like these bring comfort, freedom, and confidence. Which tip will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this helped you. Here's to better sleep and healthier habits.